Hey contractors, are you tired of relying on HomeAdvisor and Angie's for leads? In this video, I'm going to share with you some tips on how to generate more leads without having to pay for these expensive services. So the first thing you're going to want to do is create a professional website that showcases your work and experience. Make sure it's easy to navigate and has a clear call to action for potential customers. The next thing we'll do is take advantage of social media platforms like Facebook and Instagram. You're going to want to share photos and videos of your work and engage with your followers. Participating in local groups is also very effective to get your name out there. Don't forget about referrals. Ask satisfied customers to refer you to their friends and family. And another great way to generate leads is by offering special promotions or discounts for first-time customers. This not only incentivizes them to choose you over your competitors, but it also shows that you value their business. Lastly, consider investing in search engine optimization for your website to improve your visibility on Google and other search engines. I cannot stress this enough. By following these tips, you're going to generate more leads and grow your business without relying on costly lead generation services like HomeAdvisor and Angie's. Thank you for watching.